Hey there, I'm Josh with Super Pacific. We make the X1 wedge camper and the CloudCap pop top for adventure vans, and we're going to take a quick look at the units themselves here, and then we'll take a look at how they're made. So the X1 camper is a lightweight wedge style camper. It is a commercial grade canopy on the bottom and a 4-season rooftop tent up top. And to deploy the tent, we're just going to quick pop the latches on either side here, give a little push, and your camp is all set up. The doors on all 3 sides here give you full access all the way around for loading gear in and out. It is made of laser cut sheet aluminum fastened with solid aircraft rivets. We say built like an airplane because it's built the same way as airplanes are manufactured. You've got all kinds of customization options with threaded inserts all the way around to add molly panels, storage bags above the doors. We have our Truma heater integration for 4-season camping. The tent itself is a 4-season marine grade tent. To handle condensation, we have vents above each of the doors. We're here in the Pacific Northwest, so dealing with moisture and condensation was a big issue in the design of the camper. Also has options for insulation as well as storage in the tent, and they're very lightweight and super strong. It's a great storage area for your gear, just a topper canopy when you're kind of in the middle of the week not using it, and then super quick to deploy when you want to get out quick and get camp set up. So this is the CloudCap, and it is a roof-mounted pop top that is designed to give you extra sleeping space in a small footprint. We are just going to unlatch the latch here, and then to deploy, we're just going to give it a push straight up, and that's it. It's all set up. It is a 4-season in terms of the tent material, same as we use on the X1. It does come with the optional max air fan for ventilation when it's open as well as when it's closed, but it gives you a sleeping area for 2 people or 2 kids. Keeps you from having an exterior rooftop tent in which you're climbing up and down on the exterior of your van in bad weather, but gives you an extra sleeping space. Great for seat 4, sleep 4 van configurations for 4 people. And then to take it down, we're just going to give a pull straight down here. Latch the latch, put on the safety plate, and you're back on the road. And the other cool thing about the CloudCap is, just like our X1 tent, it has T-slots all the way around, so you can mount gear directly to it. You don't need an additional rack, so you can mount Fiamma awnings, solar panels, crossbars, Starlink mounts, light bars, basically anything that you want directly to the unit. So it makes it a super versatile platform for accessorizing, all within the pop top itself. All right, another cool new product that we are going to be coming out with is our CloudCap specifically for the E-Series, Ford E-Series vans. And this one in particular, unlike the CloudCap for Sprinter and Transit, which have a smaller pass-through, this has a full standing height space in the roof of the van. So let's take a look at it. And we'll go ahead and pop up. We'll pull off the safety plate. Give it a push. And your tent is deployed. And on this model, like I said, it's got the full standing height space. The bed platform is actually on struts. So just give a little push, the entire panel goes up, and you have your full standing height space here. You've got storm doors and screen doors all the way around, but you basically transform it into a full standing height space. And again, 4-season, just like the other CloudCap, but really great way to maximize space, especially in these awesome older E-Series platform. So let's go take a look at how we make the CloudCap and the X1 camper. So for the X1 camper, we use laser cut sheet aluminum that is bent on a brake form, laser cut and assembled using solid aircraft rivets. We source everything locally here in the Portland area with manufacturing partners who do our laser cutting and bending on the brake form. The kits for one X1 camper arrive as these separated part kits here, ready to assemble. From here, they go over to our riveting station where the guys will assemble using solid aircraft rivets on each of the joints, as well as some flush mounted solid rivets. As a platform, it gives it a very lightweight but super strong foundation that can handle a lot of flex and vibration over time. Off-roading makes it very adaptable yet lightweight and strong. You've also got in the structural box beam members here are actual electrical raceways for running wiring all throughout the frame of the camper. So when you have your finished camper, you can run the electrical wiring for switches, outlets, kind of anything you want to, and it keeps it really clean and tidy, and that's all just designed into the structure of the camper. From here, these raw parts go out to our powder coater. We have some units here that are assembled that will get trailered down the street to our local powder coating partner. We try to keep as much of the manufacturing process here in the Portland metro area as possible. So these get trailered out, come back, powder coated, ready to be assembled. Same thing with our custom extrusion here. This is our raw extrusion. It's a custom design that we have pulled down the street. It gives us quite a few T-slot options that allow you to mount gear to the roof of both the X1 camper and the CloudCap. But these will be trailered over and powder coated locally. Here we can see our finished powder coat units here. These are all camper fuselages that have been assembled, powder coated, and are ready for final assembly. And then we also have our doors for the camper over here that get their logo badges and latches. We have a single handle latch for the doors and custom CNC machined hinges that are all architectural grade UV stable anodized, and all that process happens here in the Portland area. So from this station, they will go to the next station where they get the hinges, latches, all the final assembly that goes into it. So we can see here, here's the custom door hinges, the latches that I mentioned, single handle, can be opened from the inside or the outside, uses a cable mechanism to actuate the door. Has a two-stage latching mechanism that allows you to soft close it on the first stage or fully engage the seal all the way around. We use, for the corner hinges and hardware, this is all billet aluminum, CNC machined hardware that is comprises the whole clamshell here. We have our extrusion with the T-slots all the way around. The roof and floor panels are all a polypropylene honeycomb panel. Very strong, yet super lightweight. So for both the CloudCap and X1, strong enough to be able to stand on, but still a very super lightweight material. And here is the clamshell assembly for both the X1 and CloudCap. This is the roof panel with the machined hardware on the hinges as well as the latches here on the corners. So these get assembled, both a top and a bottom. We have an extrusion profile for the top of the clamshell as well as for the bottom here that allows you to mount your awnings, light bars, all kinds of accessories directly to it. So that's the hard goods component of the camper. And over here we have our soft goods cell where we do all our cut and sew on the tents for all our units. We have our automated cutting tool over here that cuts the material. So this is running now and cutting out different parts for our tent here. And then as soon as these items are finished cutting, they get sorted and shifted over to our large format sewing tables here, where everything gets final sewing with the storm doors, bug screens, and all the stitching. And so as soon as the tents are finished being sewn together, the final stage, once the hard good components of the camper are complete, is to install the tent in the unit, test everything out, and get it ready for the install. So over here we can take a look at these finished units that are waiting for install. We have CloudCap units waiting to be shipped out, as well as campers waiting to be installed. And then when people arrive here for their install, this is our install bay. Installation generally takes less than an hour, gets dropped on. We also have options for power and lighting, so at the time of install, those will get completed and installed. And then of course we have our shop dogs. Yeah, we can do a quick look at our retail area here with accessories, so when people come through can kit out their camper. We have storage bags for the camper here that we make ourselves. Allows you storage above each of the doors integrated into the camper. A couple of different sizes and designs, as well as molly panels for mounting anything you want to mount inside the camper. A little bit of swag, of course. Propane accessories for our Truma furnace that integrates into the camper. Great for four-season camping. Integrated directly in there. It's ported out the side of the camper, so unlike other propane heaters, it is going to be a dry heat. Other accessories, our crash pad for the X1 camper extends your sleeping mattress. We've got our soft goods storage here with our Huck Pack seat back organizer, duffel bag, and then our gear loft for storage inside the tent. And then of course we've also got some sweet swag from our partners Rayco Designs, who did a really rad design with us. So keep the vibe right. So that's how we build our campers and CloudCaps here in Portland, Oregon. If you are looking for more information, visit us at superpacificusa.com for pricing, lead times, details on any of the products, or hit us up by email with questions, info@superpacificusa.com. Thanks for watching.